Seems like you've got, I see residential bundles back here. I know we're going to take a walk around and see some of the commercial accounts, but it looks like you're serving all kinds of different markets.
Today's was a hair salon,
Okay.
a yoga studio, a Pilates studio. We do, event rentals. We do med spas. We do all kinds of different kinds of businesses that need laundry. So many different kinds of businesses need laundry, and we're here to help them. Quick and easy way to get on with their day.
It's interesting. We always see the big trucks out on the road. Cintas, Aramark, Image First, all the kind of big commercial guys. But there's so many of those small businesses that really are looking for you, right? Someone that's got
Yes.
something that's sort of right-sized to their needs.
We just cater to the smaller businesses because those are the people that need it the quickest, easiest way possible. We just started with a guy called Float Plus, like a sauna, ice bath,
cold plunge. Yeah.
And he just needs his towels done every day. That's how he operates. He needs the towels washed, dried, folded, back to business for him. We're an extension of them, really, honestly. When they need us, they call us in and out the same day. So that's what we really pride ourselves on, is fast and reliable. And
And I saw the woman from your neighbor next door. Nail salon came in to do laundry here, so basically they're coming in doing a commercial account, but
Yeah.
they're doing it on a self-service basis.
yeah, we have a ton of self-service. People come in and they drop off, and we do wash, dry, fold for them. We do pickup and delivery, residential and businesses. Everybody needs laundry done.
That's the beauty of